In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson AcuLaser C4100 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Into Google, you want to search for Epson AcuLaser C4100 support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an Epson domain that says Epson AcuLaser C4100 support. Go ahead and open that up. Now scrolling down here underneath product setup, select the Epson software updater and then the corresponding download button for that. Open up that file once it's on your machine. Should be a verified publisher from the Epson Corporation. Select yes. You want to accept the end user license terms, then select OK. Proceed with the on-screen instructions that are going to follow here. You may need to make sure your Wi-Fi credentials are properly put into your printer itself and then come back onto the software updater here and locate it on the list. Should be pretty easy to find, and then you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.